singling you out, but these things were causing problems yesterday. Quick bikes, good riders.
Good morning. It is the Tuesday before ABR and I'm on the road before 7 o'clock to start the journey down. As I said in the previous couple of videos, I usually break it up over a couple of days and just enjoy it. In previous years it's been a little bit drier. We've had some heavy overnight rain. It's not actually rain at the moment, this is just the other side of the cold front, so fingers crossed it's an improving picture. Head sort of southwest towards the Dumfries area, cross the border, and then make our way south via the Yorkshire Dales into sort of the Trough of Bowland, I think is the name of it. I've never been there, but the plan's to kind of head down through that neck of the woods, pop out about Preston area to avoid the Manchester, Liverpool area, just nip down the motorway and then take a right turn along the M56 into North Wales. Plan tonight is just to get to North Wales and we have a campsite booked in Bethgelert, and that is stop number 1 on the way down. Okay folks, right, catch you in a wee while.
The love and the lies, the calm and the chaos. Adventure is waiting, dreams for the taking, it's all in view. The tension and ease, the wild and free. The moment is waiting, dreams for the taking, it's all in view.
looking in your eyes, and all I see is festival. Voyaging eastward to Tel Aviv, sink to the foot of the Dead Sea. Yahweh appears and he says to me, festival. When the night is
singling you out, but these things were causing problems yesterday. Quick bikes, good riders.
Yeah,
buzzing,
I've
bad
been
bikes.
very patient with everybody, trust me.
But there was lots that weren't, so it's just like,
Yeah, don't worry.
I don't know who it was who won, but
It's alright, you know.
that type of bike was causing the grease, so can you know, think twice before overtaking it? Just
Yeah,
keep speeding.
I'm the most cautious person when it comes to that.
Semi-zero tolerance today
Yeah.
because of the accidents yesterday.
Okay, that was understood. Thanks so much.
Have a good one.
No worries.
Last night she told me that her love's not real. That we are only threads on a spinning wheel, intertwined by design on a draw appeal. It's just a sight for the eyes, nothing built to feel, 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 feel. Rearrange all the letters in my name. Wonder why my face remains the same, same, same. You know you want is the thrill that comes with change. Deny your castles will wash away the rain, 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 rain. I am your only resolution, total absolution of what you're running
Past the ambulance, like dead slow, walking speed.
Yeah, I've got it. That's just it.
Thank you.
Thanks, no worries.
Rearrange all